All right, time for the solution walkthrough for the drill down assignment. This one's relatively quick. Goal was to update our weekly customer line chart, and instead of just basically showing the week starting field on our x-axis, we wanted to drop in that date hierarchy to give users a little bit more flexibility. So that looks good. Let's practice drilling up and drilling down to make sure we can view data at each of these levels of granularity. This is by year, by month, by week, all the way down to by day. So that looks good. Let's drill back up to monthly. And the next step was to activate drill mode and practice selecting individual points on the chart to filter and drill down, like so. Here we're at a weekly level. And check it out, if we select one of these weeks, like December 27th, note that week looks very low, and we only see 5 data points represented here. Whereas for any other week, we should be seeing a full 7-day week, like we do here. And again, like we talked about in our demo, that's because with drill mode activated and weekly level fields in our hierarchy, we can end up with these truncated date periods as we drill down through different levels of grain. So again, like we've talked about, we could potentially remove the start of week field from the hierarchy itself, which would address those partial weeks. But since the leadership team does value that weekly view, I'd like to keep it in here. So let's keep the hierarchy as is and just disable drill mode. And now the last step was just to drill it back to weekly level, like so. And that should just about do it for your drill down assignment.